This is gonna blow your mind. What's that popping noise when you move? When you stretch or move your joints, gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide in the synovial fluid form tiny bubbles. As these bubbles collapse, they create that satisfying crack sound. It's usually harmless and even normal. But if you feel pain or notice swelling along with the cracking, it could be a sign of a joint issue. So, keep an ear out. If you enjoyed this quick dive into the science of joint cracking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating health insights.